In today's fast-paced market, the demand for handcrafted wooden items continues to grow. Many consumers are looking for unique and personalized products that stand out from mass-produced alternatives. This presents a fantastic opportunity for makers and artisans to capitalize on their woodworking skills. By focusing on quick and easy projects, you can create items that not only cater to this demand, but also allow for rapid production and sales. Woodworking is a rewarding hobby that can also become a profitable venture. With just a few basic tools and materials, you can transform simple pieces of wood into attractive and functional products. The beauty of woodworking lies in its versatility. Whether you're crafting home decor, functional items, or toys, the possibilities are endless. Moreover, the tactile nature of wood gives each piece a unique character, making them appealing to buyers. One of the key advantages of focusing on speedy wood projects is the ability to produce items in bulk. This approach not only saves time, but also ensures that you can meet customer demand effectively. By mastering a few simple designs, you can create multiple items that share similar techniques, allowing you to streamline your production process. This efficiency can significantly enhance your profitability, especially when selling at craft fairs or online. Additionally, many of these projects require minimal investment in materials, making them accessible for beginners and seasoned woodworkers alike. For example, scrap wood and reclaimed materials can be transformed into beautiful products with a little creativity. This not only reduces costs, but also promotes sustainability, which is increasingly important to consumers today. By using eco-friendly practices, you can attract a conscientious customer base. Marketing your wooden creations is another vital aspect of turning your hobby into a business. Platforms like Etsy, social media, and local craft fairs provide excellent opportunities to showcase your work. By sharing the story behind your products and emphasizing the craftsmanship involved, you can connect with potential buyers on a deeper level. This personal touch can make all the difference in building a loyal customer base. In conclusion, embarking on a journey to create speedy wood projects offers both creative fulfillment and financial potential. With a focus on easy-to-make items that are in high demand, you can tap into a thriving market. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or transition into full-time woodworking, these projects can serve as the perfect starting point. Embrace the joy of crafting and watch your creations come to life. Join us as we dive into the world of woodworking, share our favorite tips, and inspire you to start crafting. Don't forget to subscribe for more woodworking tutorials, project ideas, and tips on how to make money with your skills.